Hello everyone and welcome to my video. In this video I saved the pour, so I'm gonna show you what went wrong and how to save it. You might recognize some of the videos because I tried to do a moon pour for the how to moon pour video.
Remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change. Familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to walk on by. It has been a year and now I'm living.
If I stopped here, the pour would have been gorgeous. I love the look of this one, but sadly I destroyed it kinda.
That I'm better off right here without you.
This is the part where I make the moon cup, which is gonna destroy the whole painting.
I admit that I've lost my place. My memory's gone erased. Like a scratch, only the scar remains. For we are better apart from all the pain. Distant like the stars up above. There's no love I cannot see. And in a moment that's when I knew I'm better.
So I decided to make another background cup, or I'm gonna make a ring pour with like opaque colors, and that one is looking beautiful as well, but I'm gonna destroy it as well. I'm making another moon cup and I'm gonna destroy it again because I really wanted the moon pour, but it just didn't work. Sometimes you just gotta stop.
I can feel but you love me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors.
And this is the disaster that I was left with, so now we're going over to how to fix a pour that just didn't work out. So how to fix a pour? I just got my spatula because the runoffs were really beautiful, and I scooped them up and laid them all over the painting. Then you get your burner out to get some cells popping up, and I do really love it because I like the blue shades and the green, but at some point the yellow and purple underneath try to pop up. So I think I'm gonna paint over a mandala on it.
Be the one to live my fantasy. Show you crave your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go.
Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, it's much appreciated. And see you in the next video.